Welcome to a slice of paradise here on the western coast of Mauritius. Welcome to Flic-en-Flac Beach. Today I want to invite you on a personal journey with me as we stroll along this breathtaking shoreline. Together we'll uncover not just the luxurious resorts and serene beaches, but also the hidden gems and local secrets that makes this place truly magical. So kick off your shoes, feel the warm sand beneath your feet, and let's wander together through this tropical dream. Our adventure begins with the awe-inspiring Tamarin Mountain, standing proudly against the horizon. As we continue, we draw closer to its majestic presence. As we meander along the beach, we come across Pearl Beach, a delightful little haven that might not boast 5 stars, but shines brightly in its own right. This charming hotel embraces simplicity and the pure joy of being surrounded by nature. Imagine waking up to the gentle lullaby of waves, the salty breeze whispering through your windows, and knowing that the ocean is just a few steps away. It's unpretentious, it's authentic, and it feels like home. Love this journey? Hit subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment to join the adventure and keep the magic alive. Continuing our walk, elegant beach villas begin to dot the shoreline. Nestled right on the sand, these retreats are the epitome of seaside luxury. Can you picture it? Sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises over the ocean. The day is stretching out before you filled with endless possibilities. And then we arrive at La Pirogue Beach Resort, where the iconic thatched roof peeks out from the lush gardens, a tropical oasis that feels like a stepping into another world. Okay, we're approaching one of the other luxury resort here. But just wait until we reach Sugar Beach Resort. This place is nothing short of enchanting. With this elegant blend of colonial charm and modern comforts, Sugar Beach invites you to indulge in a kilometer of pristine white sands and sunset that paints the sky in hues you've only dreamed of. It's family friendly too, with gentle waves perfect for the little ones, to splash about as you unwind and soak in the beauty around you. But Flic-en-Flac has more secrets to share. Did you know that just a leisurely swim from the shore reveals some of the most vibrant snorkeling spots in all of Mauritius? Dive beneath the surface, and you're instantly immersed in a colorful underwater garden teeming with life. Schools of tropical fish dart around coral formations, and time seems to stand still as you float through this silent, mesmerizing world.
I really enjoyed it. Walking tour on the beach. Oh my god, it was out of this world. Look, you're not on this planet. You're somewhere else. Actually, I believe when you're on the island, you're so disconnected from the rest of the world. And that's good for your mental health. And it is working for me as well.
If you can promise me you'll visit during sunset, there's magic in the way the sky transforms. A kaleidoscope of pinks, oranges, and purples reflecting off the calm waters. It's a sight that touches something deep inside, a shared experience that brings everyone a little closer together. I'm back at the beach again, this time exploring the lively public beach, a place bursting with energy and life. It's so heartwarming to see families relaxing on colorful blankets, with laughter filling the air, and the smell of delicious local food all around. Kids are running along the shore, their giggles carried by the breeze, and for a moment it feels like all the worries in the world just disappear.
Today is as beautiful as yesterday. I love it. The weather is amazing. You cannot believe. Let me know in the comment what you think about this amazing sunset. Don't you think so? It's the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen? Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. Now we're heading to Vila Carolina.
Our path now leads us to Vila Carolina, a quaint beachfront hotel that feels less like a resort and more like staying with old friends. Whether you're here for a romantic getaway or creating special memories with family, Vila Carolina welcomes you with a warm, comforting vibe. As our day winds down, the coastal road beckons a lively stretch that's an absolute delight for food lovers. The air here is filled with tempting aromas, and the choices are endless. Maybe we'll stop by the beach shack, where the rhythm of live music mingles with the sound of waves, and the seafood is as fresh as it gets. Or perhaps we are in the mood for something more elegant, like enjoying an incredible Sega dance performance at Twins Garden. Thank you for joining me on this dreamy walk along the shores of Flic-en-Flac. If this journey touched your heart, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know your favorite part in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures and hidden gems from around the world. Your support means everything and keeps these journeys alive. Until next time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!